Imagine if the United States presidential election was a talent show with two competitors, one Republican, one Democrat, going head-to-head for the title of Commander-in-Chief. Only the public doesn't vote for them. They vote for the judges to vote on their behalf. That, to be honest, is how the Electoral College works. If presidential elections were straight-up popularity contests, 2 of the last 5 would have been lost. George W. Bush to Al Gore by 500,000 votes in 2000, and Donald Trump to Hillary Clinton by a record 3 million in 2016. But when the Founding Fathers met up to debate elections at the Constitutional Convention of 1787, they didn't trust the people to make decisions. Others worried that larger states would have a greater say than smaller, less populous states. They decided, by way of the Connecticut Compromise, that a select group of qualified citizens, the Electoral College, should have the final call. So you see, the Electoral College isn't some kind of Hogwarts for political scientists. It's a collection of 538 electors reflecting each state's congressional delegation. 1 for each member of the Senate, 1 for each member of the House, 3 for the District of Columbia, whose votes are the only votes that count when a new or existing president is elected to office every 4 years. U.S. territories like Puerto Rico don't get a final say in who becomes president. Article 2, Section 1, Clause 2 of the Constitution states that no government employee should be appointed an elector. But that's kind of where the guidelines end. There's nothing stopping states from choosing electors by holding hot dog eating competitions, and the majority of electors are even free to vote against the wishes of the electorate. In 2016, 10 faithless electors went rogue, though none has ever swung an election. Running for president in 1789, George Washington claimed 100% of Electoral College votes cast. But the system works a little differently today. Aside from Maine and Nebraska, where electors are divided between candidates proportionally, most states prefer a winner-takes-all approach, with the victor claiming all votes cast. That's why during election season, we hear so much about swing states. They're vital to a candidate's chances of securing a 270 Electoral College majority and the keys to the White House.